Okay, this is amazing, very amazing. So let's see the machine result. Että se teidän DMM-tukset 2025 ja Jakobsgatan was it which?
Or Apollonkatu.
Apollonkatu.
5, yeah.
Apollonkatu 5. Was this Tekis B or?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Or A it was, yeah.
Oh, this is Tekis A, so we have to try B also.
Yeah.
It's something I didn't discover, I think, because I can't remember. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm not remembering. The generation A3900 built in 1928 doesn't say there, but we found it.
Yeah.
The internet. Amazing, beautiful buttons. Best these three verses of the programs. I don't think I remember this.
Yeah.
Probably not. So. Let's get 2 or 3 lights here.
3.
The machine, do you think it's?
Yeah, probably it sorts of.
3 lights, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, also here in the Helsinki sports in Finland. And the first floor, but the main floor is white. Really beautiful buttons.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, only the color ones.
Yeah.
But this is still the best for the service lift in the nearby.
Yeah, it's a bit better, yeah. But
yeah,
it's also one of the best in the.
yeah. It's funny when I said there were no more very interesting lifts in Töle, but there were still a few more.
Yeah. Expected bike wise, but maintained by Cone.
I just hadn't looked through them properly always.
Yeah.
But I didn't have time. I took the ones that I could see first.
Yeah.
That instruction for kids only in Swedish and the capacity side.
Yeah.
They didn't put the Finnish one for some reason.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter so much. Because this is better in this way when it's at least in Swedish also. Better when better than if the Swedish was missing.
Yeah.
Next to the buttons they put the same as for the same era conies, but
Yeah.
without the surnames.
Yeah. Locks were replaced by Kone, but
Yeah,
it
in
doesn't
the
matter.
1980s.
Yeah.
But
Oh, yeah, you can press them. That's